we've got to get ourselves out of this mess.
Mike and Matthew have passed a night on the mountain in a howling blizzard and freezing temperatures. Mike had decided they should stay put. As dawn breaks, their survival depends on being found soon.
I've sort of kept it from Marisa that they didn't come down off the mountain.
Where's Dad?
Come and sit down here.
But I know it's morning now and the phone hasn't rung in the middle of the night. So I have to tell her.
With daylight, special forces from Mike's airbase swing into action. This time their job is not to protect the Kurds, but to look for one of their own. Turkish troops with their local knowledge join the operation. Mike's commanding officer is leading it.
Hello?
Mary, it's Ed Fitzgerald here. I just wanted to update you on the situation.
Mike's colonel lets me know that the search has already started, that people are actually looking for them. He's going to coordinate the search from the lodge there at the ski resort.
The search makes national news, but it's focusing on the area surrounding the ski slopes. Mike and Matthew are in fact miles away. After an uncomfortable night, Matthew awakes cold, wet, and still exhausted.
We woke up kind of groggy that morning. I think because we had slept off and on the whole night. In the daylight, I was able to see there was like an opening in the rock.
Mike's survival training kicks in. When lost, find shelter and stay where you are.
It's a cave. We've been sitting on top of it all night. Come on, son.
They can stay in the cave and wait to be rescued.
Dad, can I have another one?
I should save it for later. Here, get this off. Here. Wow, that's wet, huh? All right. Take mine. Put that on.
Dad, you know what? I don't think I can ski today.
That's okay. Because we're staying here tonight. First rule of survival: give people a chance to find us.
Yeah?
They'll be looking for us right now.
How will they find us?
The snow will stop soon. They'll find us.
I knew there were certain things that I could do to enhance our chances of being seen. Just took my skis and planted them as a big X, the international distress signal for skiers. I just hoped that there would be people come up and see those, and if they saw the skis, then they would be able to find us.
Mike and Matthew have been in freezing temperatures for 24 hours. The cave offers protection from the blizzard outside, but little else.
It was at that point I realized I was already getting that first warning sign of frostbite, which is this little white callus buildup on your hands, kind of a waxy look. These boots were not doing a good job of keeping our feet warm.
Let's get a wet sock off.
Having looked at my own hands and seen the condition I was in, I decided, maybe I'd investigate Matthew's feet.
Dad, I can't feel my toes.
He was starting to experience some of the first stages of frostbite there on his feet, too.
Wiggle your toes. Get the circulation going. That's it. I'm not gonna put your boots back on. Here, give me your scarf.
Inside the cave, it was cold enough for water to freeze. The temperature dropped below freezing.
Let's get this one on. There you go.
Here we are in this tiny cave, this little crack in the mountain, in a raging blizzard, and we're both in the early stages of frostbite. If we didn't get help, we were just going to die on this mountain.
The ground search is called off as night falls. It can't begin again until morning.
Thanks a lot. All right, bye.
I'm getting phone calls. Well, it started out once a day, but that just wasn't enough.
No news yet, honey.
There's just too many hours where we didn't know what was going on, and so you get your hopes tweaked every once in a while, and it just seems like all the little hopes just keep getting put out.
One of our immediate needs was just keeping ourselves hydrated. The bottom line was that you really shouldn't be eating snow.
Better stop. Don't eat anymore.
You gradually lower your body temperature to the point where you get hyperthermic, and you're making your situation worse by just trying to keep yourselves alive.
What was that?
Just a small animal, nothing to worry about. Remember when we were in the Mediterranean? All that Italian food? And you and Mark, you just wanted to eat burgers.
Yeah. Dad, I thought they would have come for us by now.
Yeah. I'm sure they'll find us tomorrow.
Yeah. That was real fun.
It was nice to just focus a little bit on those little stories of the day and get our mind off this terrible situation that we're in.
As dawn breaks on the mountain, the storm clears.
Thanks.
I will.
See you, Mark.
Snowplows have opened the way to the resort, and Mark is able to get home.
I'm keeping sane because I'm thinking Mike would never leave Matthew. I'm thinking he's had survival training.
Dad, I'm real hungry.
I'm realizing they probably don't have food, but maybe some of the snacks they took, they just had stuffed in their pockets.
It's our last one. Do you hear that?
What?
Helicopter.
Come on, Dad. Please go. I can see us.
All of a sudden, a shot of adrenaline took over, and all action again. Scrambled outside, and to my amazement, this helicopter just literally seemed like it was flying out of the mist. But as suddenly as this helicopter appeared out of the mist, it was gone. I knew it was almost a hopeless case. I just was too far down into this little valley to be seen. The good news was I knew they were looking, and I knew they would be back.
The helicopters called in for the search